Today we talk about how can you create email on your VCAP. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your VCAP. So all you have to do, just go above your photo, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list on your profile here. Then all you have to do, just go above this side, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on edit profile. So then come to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down, click here on security here. When you click on security, it's going to take you to this list. Just waiting to open video. So it's going to take a time to open video here. And you click here on create email. It's going to show for you here. Click here on create email. So then it's going to take you to this list. Just waiting to open video here. So it's going to take a time. Then here add you enter your email here. Then you click on create inbox. Then it's going to create with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.